Jokedne oganda obago ng'anyo maratipo he nyim kar kano ringre ma City e boma Nairobi kote sendo bila ma Central kagisundo serikal mondo mi anyuola mar Albert Ojwang ratiro bang' tho mare magalagala. Ng'anyo ni okelo dhugruok mar nyamburko e roundabout ma City kendo chuno bila manore kod gilweny mager mondo mi odonjre gayo rawere kod Jokedne oganda mano ninde chunya paya kagikwedo tho mar Albert. E kinde no rawerego mag Gen Z odhiyo jal moro mane gichich ni en obila kendo gichune orucho pichni duto mano osemako kapok gimaye simu nogono.
What is the need of hiding? Let Kenyans know, and the ambiguity of saying in any other officer. Who are these any other officers? And secondly, the officers who picked Mr. Albert Ojwang from Homa Bay, are they part and parcel of those who have been interdicted? Without telling Kenyans in plain word of who these individuals are, will be treated to just PR for purposes of calming down the citizens of Kenya.
Unavyofahamu wale ambao wanashukiwa ama washukiwa wakuu ni kitengo cha polisi. Kwa hivyo hatuwezi kuwa na imani ikiwa polisi bado wao ndio wataongoza huu uchunguzi. Ndio kwa maana tumesema IPOA ni sawa, waendelee, wao ndio washikilie usukani wa kufanya uchunguzi huu na wapate usaidizi.
One life lost is too much. It's one life too much. And I want to say this in a nutshell. You may think this is Albert, this is Ojwang, belonging to some family. But I can tell you this could be your brother tomorrow, this could be your sister tomorrow, it could be yourself tomorrow. We must all stop everything, come here peacefully, and ask for the people who did this action to be held into account.
Jo siasa gujo dito mega serikali bende nikandege. Amino kaongeja siasa ya maloso. Nwachigi ngayo nika kijana nelo sabotelo marach mar police. Gibeni lo sokuom gi abotelo marach. Koro angenjo siasa mor. Ni jogo maloso kuom gi, kendo jogo mapenjo gi weche matek koro negi.